Hi, this is Kelly with Fitgenes USA Practitioner Support. Today I'll explain how to access your client's results in Pracware. When your client's results are ready, you will receive an email that looks similar to this. It will contain their kit ID number, as well as a link to Pracware and your ID. So you can click on this link and that will take you to where you sign in. If you ever want to check on your client's results, you can always go to our fitgenesusa.com homepage, click on Practitioner Portal, and then that will take you to this link where it says Download Client's Results Pracware Login. When it is your first time logging into Pracware, you will need to click here to reset your password. Be sure to use the email that you used when you registered with Fitgenes USA. Once you have registered for the first time and reset your password, you'll be able to sign into Pracware. Once inside Pracware, you will want to scroll down to Patient Management. Here you can select any patient that you have a record of. You can click on here and type in a patient name or their kit ID if you know it. And if you need to resend a consent form to a client who may have not received one, you would click on this link and that will give you a list of those clients who have not yet signed the consent forms they need to sign before a kit can be sent to their home. And once you're inside of that, you can click resend. So once you type in your client's name into the search and you find them, it will bring up their profile. You will want to go to Kits Allocated in order to look up their results. You can also, during the process, go into Kits Allocated and see if the kit has made it to the lab or not, if you're waiting. Once you click on the reports, you will see the Fitgenes Genetic Blueprint panel, which is the one that Dr. Sam created. There's also the sub results that come along with Fitgenes. You can click on whichever report you want and then click Genetic Profile, and that downloads each report individually. Or if you want to access all the reports, you would come over to Download All. Now, if you had a client who had a carb choice combo, their second kit would be listed underneath there. Remember, that kit gets sent to Australia for testing, so that those results tend to come 2 to 3 weeks later. The same process will take place for you to download the carb choice blueprint as well as the Fitgenes report as well. If you have any further questions, you can reach me through my email, support@fitgenesusa.com. Again, my name is Kelly, and it's my pleasure to help you.